Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. So today's video is going to be a little self-care. I want to show you guys my current go-to self-care routine as far as beauty wise when it comes to my skin. I can totally dive into my deeper self-care routine when I take baths, when I wash my hair, what products I use and all that stuff. But I just washed my hair the other day, so I really wanted to focus on skin today. I feel like it's super important for anybody to really remember to love yourself. Put yourself first. You are doing your best and you're doing awesome at whatever you're doing. So remember to show yourself some love, take care of yourself, and really spend time with yourself, because our sanity should come first, especially us moms. We are always busy, and I am guilty of not really pampering myself at home. I know that it can get expensive if you go out, so I'm going to save you some money and I'm going to show you how to really get your skin looking glowing, youthful, fresh, supple, all at home. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I also wanted to quickly thank Sola for sponsoring today's video. This is a little wand that I've been using for a little bit over 2 months, and it seriously has changed my skin so much, you guys. I am not even joking. I have tried so many skincare products and gadgets, and this one is the one, and I will show you guys how I use it. So grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and start with today's self-care routine. Really quickly, I just wanted to touch on some bases about the tool before we go in. This is a 4-in-1 skincare tool. It is called the Sola Wave. This actually uses microcurrents, which tones, tightens, and lifts your face and neck. As you can see in the before and after, you guys, this is insane. I highly suggest for you guys to click through the pictures. It also uses red light therapy, which fades hyperpigmentation and combats acne. It comes in a bunch of cute colors. Mine is a rose gold, and as a plus, it's a little facial massage. So it also brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness, and it temporarily lifts skin. Hello, I can use all of those, but we're gonna get into how we use it in just a little bit. I'm going to start off by lighting a candle. This is the only one that I had left, and it smells so good. I always like to have some sort of candle when I'm doing my little at-home spa, just so I can feel pampered. It smells good, and it just sets the mood. So I'm going to start off by applying a cute kind of little headband on my hair, just to keep it away from my face, and I don't have to worry about any oils getting into my hair or anything like that. And I do always clip my hair. My face was already clean, but I like to go in with a little sponge and just clean off any excess dirt, oil, sebum, whatever is just lingering there. We don't want it. First, what I like to do is to shave my face, and I've been using this Kopari coconut oil. This just makes it really easy for your razor to glide. If you have never shaved your face and you've been scared of, I'm telling you guys, this is the best decision I've made. It makes the skin glowy, soft, and your foundation, just your makeup products, look so good. There's nothing wrong with having facial hair, peach fuzz, whatever you want to call it, but as you can see, I had a lot. So it was that time to just really take care of my skin, show it some love. I've been going through some rough patches with my skin, and it's because coming back from Utah, just like the little break that we took back in November, literally threw me off for the entire month of December. And 2022, I decided to really invest in my self-care routine and just pay more attention to my skin and just me in general, because being a mom, we tend to forget about ourselves. And again, it's very important to show ourselves some love, and our skin, we only have one. We will only ever have one. So make sure you're taking care of it. But yeah, I just use this little razor and I just go all around my face. As you can see, my skin is nice and glowy. It looks super duper soft, and I love how it feels. So after I do that, I cleanse the skin, and I usually jump in the shower. I just take a few minutes in there to relax and just think about life, really. So now I'm going to go in with this Pixi Remedy Mask. This one, I really use it when my skin needs a little pick-me-up. If it's feeling dull, dehydrated, just dry, which is my skin right now. My skin is literally screaming for hydration. So I decided to do a little hydrating mask. As you can see, this one looks like mocos, but it helps and it really does do wonders just as a little mask to kind of just feel good and, also work on the skin and whatever issues you have. I'm also applying it to my brows because my eyebrows have been super dry. So I'm just going to rub that all over the face and then bring it down to my neck. I'm also going to use these Pacifica Vegan Ceramide Hydrating Eye Patches. These are new. I ran out of eye patches a while ago, and honestly, I haven't bought in any. I've just kind of been like procrastinating. So when I got these in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. It literally came in perfect time because I was in need of some pampering of myself and my skin. So we're going to leave this on for a few minutes, maybe take a little TikTok break, something like that. Come back and we're going to remove those babies. I usually like to keep them and then reuse them at least one more time. But this time I just kind of threw them away. So I'm going to use this same sponge. It's not a sponge, but it's pretty much like a makeup eraser. And this one, I love it so much because it really absorbs and removes all the dirt and oil from your makeup. I didn't want to wash my face, so I just used this little sponge to remove the mask. And I swear by these, they just make such a huge difference, especially if I just want to take off a mask after I've done my skincare. Now we're going to go in with a Sola Wave Renew Complex Hydrating Skin Serum, and this is a little wand. So this one right here is what is going to really allow the products to penetrate deep into the skin. It is an amazing serum. It hydrates the skin, and now we're going to use the wand. As you can see, you can flip it either horizontally or vertically. I like to start with it facing up. And I take my time and I go underneath the eyes because, girl, I have dark circles. Sometimes I don't sleep. Sometimes my baby wakes up way too early and mama needs some TLC. So make sure you take your time when you're using this product, and then I will switch it back. As you can see, super easy. And it just glides onto the skin. Like I mentioned earlier, it does use red light therapy, and this technique pretty much what it does is that it uses a low level wavelength of like LEDs, and this is really going to rejuvenate the skin. It also uses microcurrent waves, which actually stimulates the muscles, and it just goes deep into the layers of the skin, the dermis of the skin, and this is really going to allow all the serums, oils, whatever you're using to really deeply penetrate, and it's just really going to work so much more for your skin and do a lot more, and it will go a long ways. I just fell in love with this little wand. I use it on my mom. I used it on my best friend when she came, and everybody loved it. So I use it every night as a facial massage to just decrease puffiness, draining toxicity, etc. And it does heat up a bit, which is so satisfying. And that is just going to encourage a little bit of blood flow. And again, it's just going to help with puffiness under the eyes and dark circles. It also helps with some wrinkles. So definitely using it consistently is when you're going to see results. So again, consistency is key. And I promise you guys, you will love this. This is so worth investing. And I also apply it to the neck. Just be careful around like the larynx area. I kind of went over it a little bit, but just be careful around that area, and just take your time massaging it onto the skin. And it's super easy to clean. I just use a dry towel. So that is what I use for my little skincare pampering. And then I just finish off the skin with a very hydrating, deep, nourishing mask. This one, I am currently trying it out. It is by Kiehl's. I just received it in PR, so I don't know how I feel about it, but so far I've been liking it. And this, again, just really is going to penetrate deep into the skin and allow all the absorption of all the products that we've just laid down. I do like to go in with an eye cream, and that's because I have really dark circles, or at least I think I do. And I take the wand one more time and I just really focus underneath the eyes because I do not want these dark circles, okay? I am not a panda. I do not want them. So I do take my time and go back just a few times. And then for the last step of this little at-home spa, I do apply a lip mask right before I go to bed, and then I take my wand one more time and I just lightly go over the lips to make sure that it penetrates deeply and my lips are nice and plump, juicy, and hydrated, which is the perfect combination. So I added the link to the Sola Wave shop below so you can check it out if you're interested. Make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled for any sales that they might have in the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and definitely check out Sola Wave. I love you all so much. Take care, and until next time, I will see you in my next video.